This is sand. It's sand, and sand melts at a very, very high temperature. So we can pour the liquid metal right into this, and it will hold its shape until the liquid metal has enough time to solidify. And then you can break this open, and then you can have your object.
So today we're melting 10 melts at about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. These are the little pellets that we're melting. It's 99+% 10.
They may have played with blocks, but they've never actually made something real. And for them to be able to just see that this is fun is really amazing. It's really fun seeing the young people get so excited about making something. You just see the joy in their face, and they get to take it home with them, so they get the pride of ownership.